In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create arc using start-end radius in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clean, precise arc by choosing a start point, an end point, and a radius value, which is perfect for connecting geometry with a control curve. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. It helps to zoom into the area where the arc will go so you can pick points accurately. Make sure you're on the correct layer and that your units are set the way you prefer, since the radius will follow your drawing's units. Next, type arc in the command line and press enter to start the arc command. Look at the command line prompts, they guide you through each input. Since we're using the start-end radius method, choose the option for start-end radius if it appears. In many workspaces, this method is also available from the arc drop down on the ribbon, but typing the command is quick and consistent. Now pick your first point. This is the start point of the arc. Click right where you want the curve to begin. For precise placement, consider hovering over or snapping to existing geometry, like an end point or midpoint, so the arc ties in cleanly without gaps. Then specify the second point, which is your end point. Click where you want the arc to finish. At this stage, AutoCAD understands the two fixed anchors for your arc. You'll usually see a preview that indicates how the arc could bend between those 2 points. Finally, when prompted for the radius, enter the radius value that defines how tight or gentle the curve should be. A smaller radius creates a tighter, more pronounced curve, while a larger radius creates a broader, gentler arc. The radius value is measured in your drawing's current units. So enter a number that matches your design intent. If the preview bulges to the wrong side, move your cursor to the opposite side of the line between the start and end before confirming the radius, so the arc flips to the side you expect. You can also watch dynamic input near your cursor for live feedback as you type. That's it. You opened your drawing, started the arc command, set the start point, set the end point, and specified the radius to finish the arc. Practice with a few different radius values to see how the curvature changes. With this method, you get predictable results every time and a clean professional curve where you need it.